Your daily shower isn't usually a health risk, but for one man in England, it may have led to a serious eye infection that left him blind in one eye. Dr. Richard Chaffoo is here to explain more. Dr. Chaffoo, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning, Shally. Good to see you too.
Okay, what happened? He took a shower and now he's blind?
I wish it was that simple. No, actually what has happened is he was using contact lenses inappropriately for too long of a period of time, probably got a small abrasion or ulceration or a tear to the cornea, which is that outer covering or transparent portion of the eye.
Okay.
And then this little organism, which is called keratocanthoma amoeba, is actually a single cell amoeba that lives ubiquitously or very commonly in our air, in our water, in our soil, and then got through that small spot and he developed an infection in the eye itself, in the cornea.
We'll have to do another segment of why about medical terms are so large and so hard to pronounce with all of these. But okay, so what should people be looking? Is this common? Because I mean, I don't wear contacts, but I know people who do.
Yes. You're
supposed to change your...
You are, and it's, you know, Shally, this occurs in about 85% of cases are in contact lens wearers, but not in 100%.
Okay.
And the problem with contact lenses, especially the soft lenses, they're a sponge and they collect water. So if you're misusing those contact lenses, you put yourself at risk. The CDC says that there's about 1 to 2 cases per million contact users, which doesn't sound like a lot, but if you imagine all the millions of contact users across the country and around the world, it can become a significant health risk.
If you leave this untreated, what happens?
If you leave it untreated, then of course the infection called keratitis involves the outer layer of the cornea, which can be easily destroyed, ultimately leading to blindness, as in this unfortunate man.
What happened to this man afterwards?
So afterwards, he finally, I think, was diagnosed with this, but then required treatment.
Okay.
And unfortunately, much of the cornea sounds like it was already destroyed, and so now he's waiting, I think, for a corneal transplant, something to actually replace the cornea that was destroyed by the infection.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Unbelievable. So if people who are wearing contact lenses, they wear them regularly, what would you say are some of just reminders and precautions they should take?
Sure, the reminders are read the instructions, make sure that you're using the contact lenses appropriately, don't wear them when you're around the water or when you're showering. Make sure that you store them in the contact solution and not tap water. And make sure that before you handle contact lenses, you wash your hands with soap and water. And most importantly, if you begin to have any eye symptoms and you're wearing contact lenses, by all means, go to see your ophthalmologist early versus late.
Good advice, and thank you for the reminder, Dr. Chaffoo. Thank you for being here.